Guys, oh my goodness, maybe you can tell by the smile. Wow, I'm so happy. So I'll put like a screenshot of the DM that I received from Ikoka after the video that I posted, you guys. So they offered me the machine. You remember I mentioned that I was struggling to get the other machine, and then they offered me the machine. They said it was for free. I asked them if this was not a scam because, I was not expecting it at all. So my face is shiny. I'm cooking and I've been busy. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So it's called around about 2 o'clock. It's two deliveries actually. The other one is from Handy Andy. Guys, I beg you. So I decided to take Joey Lamini's advice and participate on the brand advisor thingy so that I get used to like working with campaigns, but I'll take it only things that I relate to. So I love cleaning so much, and I know I'll enjoy Handy Andy because it's not a new product to me, it's not a new product to my house, so I'll keep on using it. And to receive it, even though it's not for free, and I don't want to get too excited before I can like produce content that they would like. I'm super scared and nervous for that, but I'll push. I'll give it all. I'll give it my best. And then please guys, I'm begging you, please do engage on that content when I give it to you all, especially on my Instagram. If you're not subscribed on my Instagram, kindly do so, and please support me on this campaign, you guys. I would really appreciate that. It will mean a lot to me also, to that other platform. So that's one, and then another one that's for Ikoka. I have 2 deliveries today, and I'm expecting them to come any minute from now. I am so happy because when they said we are giving you the machine for free, we loved your video and all that, I was like, what, Ikoka? So I'm super excited. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm blessed. I feel like I'm doing something. Hopefully I'll get there with the growth, slowly but surely. And also on Friday, it's my husband's birthday. But one thing about Untangane, Mtsubisi doesn't like to be celebrated, and I wish I can celebrate him every day because I'm super blessed to have him in my life. But he doesn't want to be like appreciated, or I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be saying like he doesn't want to be appreciated, but I don't know, like he takes it very lightly that he's a good person. He's actually a good person. Everyone who knows him. He's like a good person. And next week it's my birthday, so he's on the 4th. I'm on the 11th of August. So that's that. Tomorrow I'll be going to shop for him. Yesterday I was supposed to show you the delivery, but it was very late. Even today the weather is still not too good. It's super cold, you guys. So I received both my packages. I'm super happy. I'm so excited for that. Oh, this is another application form that I need to follow, but I think it's clashing with another one. I'll tell you this later. So this is the first one. I think I should do like a thumbnail first before I can open, and also I want to do a reel for this one. So I'll show you guys after I'm done with the reel, because yeah, let me do a reel for this one. This one I think I can show you because I've already opened it. So this is brand advisor. I just want to film this campaign already, and my hands, hey. But anyway, we shall see. We clean a lot, so I read like a briefing for this one. I think it doesn't need your your unboxing. So this is the package. I'm glad I got these because I am running out, especially for the kitchen cleaner. These things didn't come cheap, you guys, so I should be grateful for these. So I got this. It has these inside, and then this microfiber cloth. This is a all-purpose cleaner, I think mostly for flooring. Hey, I love the smell. Window and glass, and it says no harsh smell. Oh, okay. And then this one is kitchen clean tough grease removal. I don't know which one I should start with. And then this is a bathroom one. Clean boost, lime scale and soap scum removal. And then these are the normal packaging that we all know. I never knew that there were these many products, especially for cleaning, like these spray ones. Not that I never knew, but I never really attended, you know, to them that much until more influencers were like buying them. So I got the kitchen spray one and I made a reel out of it. I hope you guys have watched it, and also please do engage on this one, you guys. I really appreciate it. Please, I beg you. So this is cream eucalyptus tough and dirt grease removal, 100% tough and dirt removal. I don't know, maybe this one comes in this small container, which is how many mils? I can't really see, but this one is cream lavender tough and dense grease removal. Is it the same thing? Oh, this is eucalyptus, this is lavender. And then, oh, this is for the bathroom cleaner, I've already mentioned. So as of tomorrow, I need to at least send them something for the first. Is it a video? I don't know if I'm going to do a video or what. So yes, let me just take a thumbnail of this and then do a reel for this one, and then afterwards from this, so that I can cook. I want to cook with Jake. The weather is permitting. Now guys, I'll eat what I want in winter and try to maintain what I can. At least if I minimize my portions, I'm good. So I'm going to make with Jake. It is so cold. I know my people will appreciate that as well. So I'll catch up with you when I'm opening this, just to show you the machine. I did not finish the unboxing because I wanted to do a reel, and I've already posted it on the Instagram business account at Azimbengeni. Kindly check that account and show it some love. So I received this note that I'm going to cherish forever, from iKhokha co-founders. So it says, "Hi Mandy, I saw your YouTube video. Thanks for being a loyal iKhokha merchant. Enjoy your new IK flyer and good luck with your business. Keep flying." And then he said, Matt, iKhokha co-founder. I'm so excited. I'm super excited for this, you guys. This gift means a lot to me, and I was not expecting iKhokha to watch my video. So I got these. Guys, I don't know what to call these things, but I really like to display them on the table like this to show that we accept cards as well, because people will turn if you only like specialize in cash. That happened to me. It happened to me. I didn't have the machine and I only made like 3 sales because they kept on asking, "Do you swipe? Do you have a machine?" And then from there, after the market, I went and bought my machine, which was up and running in 3 days. So they gifted me with the IK flower. It looks like this. It's more like a touch screen compared to the other one. It's the button. I'm so excited, you guys. I still need to familiarize myself with using this machine because I want to use it this coming weekend. Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. So I quickly want to go to the mall and get the cake because I have a delivery at 1 and it's Friday. I normally wash Dalo's uniform on Friday since today it's civis. So another thing that I want to do, maybe get a gift for Umtobisi. I know definitely that he needs a hair cutting machine. He likes the Wall brand, so I hope I'll find that, because the one that I use now, the blades are not that sharp. So I want to get that machine, that thing for sure, because it's his birthday today and I want the gift to be on this day. The cake as well. I hope I'll vlog when I get there. I can't promise you anything, but definitely when I come back I will vlog. I don't know the lady who's coming to fetch her order. I don't know when she's going to come. I still need to confirm that with her. If she's going to come around 1, it will be fine. I'll be done with at least two loads. I don't even have a washing powder in the house. I quickly have to rush, get the washing powder, get the gift. The time is now what? Check on the Wi-Fi phone. It is 9:22, so hopefully by 12 I'll be back. I need to be back by 12. I need to rush and do everything, so I'll catch up with you guys at the mall or when I come back. Thank you guys so much. If you're still with me, please don't forget to like, comment. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been to hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So hold on to my heart. Guys, I am back. That was quick. That's the time. $11:20. So with time I managed to. I'm not going to cook. I just bought burgers for the girls. And I'm Umtobisi loves that chicken licking, spicy chicken, yeah, whatever. So I got some juice. I want to show you guys everything. Ooh, Jehovah. And the smell of mukhodu. Oh, guys, I'm glad I separated the plastics. So Umtobisi loves mukhodu. I'm going to prepare this for him. I don't know what he's going to have it with. We have opotu from yesterday. I don't know. He's not a picky eater, not at all. So I need to wash this plastic and prepare this mukhodu. Oh guys, and Pick n Pay cakes, they're not giving. But anyway, cake is a cake. And now we are very limited when it comes to cakes because Uhlelo is allergic to chocolate. So nice cakes were Jehovah. I hope this, it's closed nicely, because that mukhodu plastic was together with this, thinking that it won't come out since I've covered it with another plastic. So I need to wipe this up, but it doesn't seem like it has entered the thingy, but it smells. Yo, so I got this cake at Pick n Pay, and then one of the things I got for him. It's Truett. I just need to use these from Pep. The ones from Pep are not so nice, these paper bags, but in terms of affordability, I doubt that there's any other shop that sells the gift bags cheaper than Pep Home. I've never seen anyone else. If you do, I stand to be corrected. And then I got these. This is the most expensive thing. Yeah, his gift were a bit steep for me, but I'm so happy we got this one. This is the thingy. I don't know if it's this one that he wants, but I checked the brushes. It had a lot of brushes, and in terms of pricing, the other one was cheaper. The one that I bought before for him as a gift again, because he loved this wall brand. So I do hope, because it says 2-year warranty, we have to keep the slip and the box safely. And yeah, I know he's going to appreciate this so much, and that as well. So this is just like this. So you guys remember that one of the things, main reason why I went to the shop was to get this baby. I think this was quite reasonable. It's just that the only one that is on promotion is Otto. It is 127 for 3 kg Ariel. I think that's reasonable. So guys, we have come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me, and please don't forget to do the things: subscribe, like, comment. I hope to see you guys on Monday. I'm still not done with filming. I'm still not done filming the video for Monday. Woo! Thank you guys so much. I'll catch up with you on Monday, hopefully, when that video is complete. I just want to put like a few laundry and continue with my washing. Thank you so much.